how to transfer Bitcoin from Binance to Trust Wallet. So if you want to transfer Bitcoin from Binance to Trust Wallet, right? So first we will simply open up our Trust Wallet app and we will simply go ahead and then log into the account. Since we want to receive on Trust Wallet, we will go to the receive option. Now let's say it is Bitcoin, right? We will select Bitcoin. All we have to do is simply copy the wallet address of Bitcoin from Trust Wallet. Now once we've copied this, we will simply open up Binance. Then from Binance, we will simply go to Portfolio, then simply go to Withdraw. Then over here, simply search for BTC because it is Bitcoin that we're trying to transfer, and make sure you have Bitcoin. Then simply paste the wallet address that we copied from Trust Wallet. Then the network will get automatically selected because it is Bitcoin network. Then just select the withdrawal amount, and once you've done that, you can tap on the withdraw option, confirm the payment method, and then you'll be able to transfer Bitcoin from Binance to Trust Wallet. So hope this video helped you. If you have got any more questions, queries, or doubts, feel free to also leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the very end of this tutorial, and as always, see you soon in the next video.